And
Yeah.
in future, when I get chance, then I will go. But now I don't go. I'm curious to know about that place.
Uttar Pradesh is very famous and
Why you are here? So could you tell me?
to speak good English, and for my future career is also good to speak and develop my skills and to talk another persons. If in their commercial pilot and cabin crew, it's very important thing that we should have to speak English to other persons, passengers also. Then if I traveled any countries, cities, there is important to speak in English.
Anand means happiness.
Yeah,
And this
happiness.
name is given by my grandmother. So that's and where are you from?
I'm from Kumartoli, Parnala, and you?
Oh, actually, I'm from Subhasnagar, but could you mention about Kumartoli, because
Yeah.
I went there for Saraswati Sisha Vidya Mandir, but I don't know about something about that place. So could you share?
I recently shifted there 2 years ago, so I also don't know about this place. So
Where are you from? Where? After before 2 years?
I'm when I'm kid, I'm in Uttar Pradesh, Sonbhadra. 15 years I stay over there. So you can tell me your address.
Actually, I live in Subhasnagar. My proper residence is Barkagaon. And
tell me about Badkagaon. What the specialties about there?
On the previous time and nowadays, Barkagaon is famous for good production, and there is lots of companies, mining companies.
Something famous
available.
things over there?
Yeah, in Hazaribagh, the famous about Barkagaon is good. Hazaribagh people also purchase good of Barkagaon.
And now what are you doing?
Now I am a student, and what about you?
I'm also a student. I'm take a drop this year. Some duty issue problem. My father not get 2-3 month salary. That's why I'm not take admission this year.
Oh, but if you take a drop, that will create a problem for you.
No, I take 1 year drop. I develop my skills.
Oh, which type of skill you want to develop?
Like I'm joining a few months ago. I joining computer classes. Recently, I joined English Cafe to speak good English, and I thought I joined dancing classes also, like Kathakali, Bharatnatyam.
Oh.
And what about you? What are you doing? What stream you have
Recently, I'm in class 11th, and I'm from commerce stream, because nowadays most of the people want to do choose science stream, but I choose commerce stream because my field is business. That's why I choose commerce stream. And if you want to do any business, that time you need some sort of knowledge about that particular field.
So Anand, what type of business you want to do in your future?
Yeah, basically I want to start my own startup. Like clothing brand, and like service companies, like service providing companies.
Yeah, so, it's better.
Yeah, so where do you want? What is your future aim?
My aim, I want to become a commercial pilot, otherwise a cabin crew. And what's your future plan?
I already mentioned that.
No, it's a short-term aim, not to become a businessman.
No, this is my long-term main aim. Actually, and this is not short-term. Becoming a businessman is not a short-term aim of anyone. Becoming a businessman is always a long-term aim of anyone, because business is not a small task.
Anyone there of your family members in their business?
Yeah, my whole family is related to business, and no one doing job.
What type of business they do?
Like my father is doing transportation, and my brother-in-laws are also in businesses. So I know about the most of the thing about the business. So that's why I choose business, and it creates so much employment.
So Anand, you tell that you are in 11th. Which stream you pursuing?
I already tell you that I'm from commerce stream.
Commerce stream, yeah, it's good. I don't know about what in commerce. What you may why you take commerce for business?
Yeah, because commerce, there is a particular subject which is a business studies, and there is one subject which is entrepreneurship. So both of subjects give me some knowledge about the business and marketing, and also how companies work on particular business field. So that's why I chosen that field. And actually, I don't interested on science. For example, if I don't like science, and I don't have any interest on science. That's why I don't choose.
So Anand, how many members in your family?
Actually, nowadays I have 3 members, 4 members, but I don't live with family.
Why?
I live in Hazaribagh from since 10 years
Which purpose?
for study.
Oh,
And-
it's good.
And actually, a village environment is not good for my mindset. Could you tell me about your future plan?
I already
Yeah,
mentioned.
okay, you mentioned that, but how will you do?
I take drop this year to improve myself. Then next year I take admission in graduation and faces interviews to crack.
Okay, but when I seated there, then I am curious to know about your why you are here. So could you tell me?
To speak good English, and for my future career is also good to speak and develop my skills and to talk another persons. If in their commercial pilot and cabin crew, it's very important thing that we should have to speak English to other persons, passengers also. Then if I traveled any countries, cities, there is important to speak in English.
And
Yeah.
in future, when I get chance, then I will go. But now I don't go. But I'm curious to know about that place.
Uttar Pradesh is very famous, and I lived in Uttar Pradesh over there still 15 years ago. I observed their people over there. They're very clear minded and speak very politely to others. And I completed my 10th Saraswati Vidya Mandir over there in Uttar Pradesh also.
Oh, there is also Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir.
Yeah, Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir.
In Kumartoli also.
No,
This is the name Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir.
yeah, in Uttar Pradesh.
But in Kumartoli also, Parnala.
Yeah.
So both are same school?
Yeah, both are same branch.
Oh, this is the branch of that school.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the special thing about Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir? Because my nephew studied there, and I heard that they call her teacher as a Acharya.
Yeah.
So what is the meaning of Acharya? Why they call Acharya?
Acharya means teacher, guru. You should say any teacher, sir, madam. In this Sishu Mandir, I'll say teacher to guru, Acharya ji, madam ji.